Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by making sure the watch is unlocked and on your wrist. This avoids accidental navigation. Once it's awake, press firmly on the display. Force touch enters the face gallery. You'll see the current face shrink and thumbnails appear. Swipe left or right to preview. If you want a new face rather than editing, swipe all the way to the leftmost plus icon. Tap the plus to begin choosing categories and complications. This begins the only supported face change flow. Once you choose a thumbnail, tap Customize to change the face's details. You'll move through panes, style, color, and complications. Rotate the digital crown to adjust options precisely. Swipe left to reach complication slots, then tap a slot and rotate the crown to pick an app or data item. Make sure to cycle every pane because some faces hide options until you advance. When satisfied, press the digital crown once to lock changes, then press it again to return to the watch face. To finalize, press the digital crown twice. The new face becomes active immediately. If you prefer managing faces on iPhone, open the watch app, add or reorder faces, then sync changes appear on the watch. If the screen is unresponsive or a face won't save, restart the watch. Hold the side button, power off, then power on. If problems persist, force quit the watch app on your phone and try again. Most sync issues clear after a restart and resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.